Hello and welcome to another Ultramax store video. Today we're going to give you an ultimate A to Z wood guide. Wood coatings have many boxes to tick to live up to the expectations of professional joiners, architects and interior designers. They need to provide the right aesthetic appearance and protect the wood from atmospheric conditions, aging and chemical and physical stress. But with so many wood finishing products on the market, which one is right for your job? Here's a quick run through of the types of coating that you're likely to need in a professional setting and when you would use each product. Acid Catalyst or AC Lacquers are 2-pack products that are easy to apply, quick drying and extremely hard wearing. In fact, they outperform pre-catalyzed, off-the-shelf products when it comes to hardness and durability. AC lacquers are typically used for wood interiors, furniture and high-use areas that require a good level of resistance to abrasion, heat and chemicals. They are available as a clear lacquer or coloured coating in a range of gloss levels. Acrylics are transparent, durable and scratch-resistant lacquers that minimise yellowing. They can be used on any colour wood but are particularly suited to bleached timber, natural briars and pale coloured timber as they will preserve the natural colour of the wood. Acrylic lacquer comes in a range of gloss levels. Fire retardant coating systems achieve Class 1 or Class O fire ratings while retaining the visual appearance of standard premium wood coatings. They're designed to be applied to panelling or furniture in interior applications that require fire retardant properties for insurance or building regulations approval. Fire retardant coatings are suited to domestic and commercial settings and are available as clear lacquer and coloured coatings in various finishes. Polyester Basecoats achieve a fast, fully closed pore finish, so they're ideal for timbers with deep and absorbent pores and are highly susceptible to strong air release. Think elm, zebra wood, rotary cut mahogany, veneer, briar and even MDF, the types of material that are typically used for car and boat interiors, pianos or sometimes furniture where a high gloss finish is required. Polyesters come in the form of a clear or white base coat that can be overcoated with a polyurethane or acrylic top coat to achieve a gloss, satin or matte finish. Pre-catalyzed coatings or pre-cat coatings are easy to use, durable one-component lacquer systems that contain a hardening agent. Pre-cats are well suited to indoor cabinetry and furniture. They're available as clear lacquer and coloured coatings in any finish. Water-based exterior joinery coatings are quick drying, single pack coatings with excellent elasticity, durability and resistance to water and UV. They're much safer for the environment and the user than solvent-based equivalents. Water-based exterior wood coatings are designed to be used on hardwood and softwood structures that are exposed to outdoor environments such as conservatories, doors and windows. Products come in a range of gloss levels in clear, tintable and solid, non-blocking colours. High-performance, water-based interior wood coatings offer the same appearance and smoothness as solvent-based products, but are much safer for the environment and the user. Use them for interior furniture, woodwork and cabinetry. As with 2-pack alternatives, water-based wood coatings are available in a wide range of colours and finishes. Stains and dyes change the colour of timber while allowing the natural grain to show through. Dyes are purely decorative coatings that do not offer any form of protection, whereas stain products can be purely decorative or possess protective and preservative properties. As with all types of coating, wood coating products vary considerably in quality. So we've added links to our favourite high performance products at the bottom of the transcript below. If you're not sure which product to choose, give our friendly technical team a shout.